Right, so this is an oceanfront one-bedroom master suite. It's quite large. This is room 3437, and we've got a nice sitting area here. Just to our left, you walk in and there is a little half bath. So just a toilet, and then you've got your completely protected toiletries. Back out we come. And obviously you can see that this could be a connecting room because you've got the door there. But we've got this sitting area here, nice bright walls. And then of course into the bedroom, we'll take a look at that in a second. You've got the sliding doors for privacy, but nice couch area here. Oh, towels, that's a nice touch to have those if you're sitting on the balcony. We'll have a look at the view in a moment. But I think you'd be rather impressed, because I sure am. This is the mini bar. They have the chips, cookies, and chocolates, and then of course you've got a bunch of different beers, pop, water, a little bit of white wine there, red wine there, and again, fully sanitized coffee machine. And then into the bedroom. We'll do a wide view here. There you go. So this has a separate climate control in this room than it does in the living room. So you can have one room set at a slightly higher or cooler room temperature. All right, so let's check out the bathroom. We have air conditioner control there. And here we've got closet space. And what do we have on this side? Oh, safe built into the wall. Massive jacuzzi tub. On this side we've got, oh wow, I brought lots of clothes and I have hangers for them all. Woohoo! All right, so we've got a scale down below, hair dryer. All your toiletries are clean, sanitized with the dual vanity, so there's lots of space for everything. Separate toilet area, and then separate shower, and of course, you know, I love these rainfall shower heads. They're just to die for. And the towels are quite a large size, which is always really nice. You don't feel like you're wrapping a napkin around you or something. Okay, so I'm gonna go out. Oh, and this is something that's really cool. If you can see this, they've got all the activities right on the TV. So that's very nice. Oh, and I also say that as with every other Ziva I've been to, lots of USB ports and plugins. So for people like me who are taking constant photos and stuff on their iPhones, it's really easy to keep it charged. So let's take a look at this view. Like I said, this is ocean front. So we are right at the front of the resort. Wow. Oh, look at that surf. Oh, wow, you guys, this is amazing. And actually over here, you can do some surfing way down, just around the corner there. But absolutely loving the view. Oh, look, and you can do a little hat shopping as well. Perfect. Take one more look inside, just so you get the reverse view. Okay, so this is from this main room, main living area. And then we'll pop into the bedroom. And just here. So again, you've got a second balcony door here, so you can access it from either side. And there you have it. Really lovely room.